Do you know this small coin can teach you a big life lesson? Sometimes it looks shiny, sometimes it looks old. But whether it is scratched, dirty, or brand new, its value is always the same, 10 rupees, right? In life, people may criticize you, ignore you, or compare you. You might feel broken or less valuable, but just like this coin, your worth never changes. You are valuable no matter what people say. Remember, don't judge yourself by people's opinion. Your value is permanent, just like this coin's value. If you agree, share this with someone who needs this reminder. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.